Hi everyone, I wish you a good night today. Uh, I'm glad to see all of you today to continue my reading challenge with chapter 10 of the story of seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. In chapter 10, a female cat, a male cat, and a poet. Chuba has chance to meet with the beautiful cat and Angelina. After expressing his godful music with her birds, the human who was chosen by the cat of the porch, Chuba had opportunity to talk to him and show off his ability to speak in many languages. The poet was uh, was strongly impressed by the cat, and he thought that he was hallucinating. However, after listening to cat, he agreed to his recommendation for the help. And now I am glad to read aloud this conversation between them. Speak on, cat, said the human. And so Joba told him the story of the dying gun, the girl and the egg, the little Lucky, and the fruitless efforts of the cat to teach her to fly. Can you help us? Chuba asked when he had finished his cat tale. I think I can't. I can. And this very night, the human responded. This very night? Are you sure? Look out the window, cat. Look at the sky. What do you see? Asked the human. Clouds, black clouds. A storm's on the way, and it will rain very soon, Choba observed. Well, that's quite nice, said the human. I don't understand. I'm sorry, but I don't understand. The human went to his desk, took out a book, and searched through the pages. Listen, cat, I'm going to read you something by a poet named Bernardo Asaga, a few lines from a poem entitled Gulls. But their small hearts, the hearts of all aerialists, long for nothing, as much as for the wild rain, and almost always brings wind, and thus almost always brings sun. I get it now. I knew you are be able to help us, said Choba, leaping from the chair. They agreed to meet at midnight outside the door of the bazaar, and the big fat black cat loped off to inform his companion.